Hi there. Let's make easy millet mousse cake. Low FODMAP, gluten-free, vegan. Start with boiling 100 grams of millet for 13 minutes. Mulberry, chia seeds, cloves, star anise. $150 grams of water. Give it a few minutes and it will change into jelly. Remove star anise and cloves. Cooked millet. 80 grams of dark chocolate, 100% of cocoa. Juice from 2 oranges. Vanilla sugar, salt, cardamom, stevia, ground allspice. 65 grams of chopped peanuts. 15 grams of psyllium husk. 30 grams of starch. 5 grams of guar gum. 45 grams of sunflower seeds. 150 grams of almond milk. You can just mix it or blend it like me. If you're just mixing, chop chocolate. More sunflower seeds and chopped peanuts. Put it in the fridge for 1 hour. And it's done. If you're on low FODMAP diet, let it warm a little. Don't eat it when it's cold. Thanks for watching.